All right, let's just get right into it. AI skills are everywhere right now, and Google's just dropped this new certificate that promises to make you an expert in like 8 hours. So, is it the real deal, or is it just a bunch of hype? We're gonna break it all down right now.
So what's the big rush? I mean, it seriously feels like it happened overnight. Suddenly, knowing how to use AI is this new, unspoken rule for getting a job, and you can feel the pressure building on professionals everywhere to get with the program, and fast. And look, this isn't just a vibe. There's a hard number to back it up, straight from Google's own data. A whopping 70% of employers would literally choose someone with AI skills over another candidate with more experience. I mean, think about that. That's a massive shift in how the world hires.
Which of course leads us to the billion-dollar question that's on everybody's mind. How in the world are you supposed to learn all this stuff without, going back to college for 4 years? How do you get up to speed? Like now?
And cue the entrance of Google's new AI professional certificate. It's being sold as that quick, easy answer we're all looking for. But the real question is it the right answer for you, for everyone?
First things first, let's be super clear about who this is really for. This is not for the person who wants to be an AI engineer, spending months buried in complex code. Nope. This is built from the ground up for what they call the AI fluent professional. Think marketers, project managers, analysts, basically anyone who needs to use AI for practical business stuff without ever writing a single line of code.
So what's Google's big pitch? Well, they say it's taught by their own in-house AI pros. You don't need any experience to start, and this is the big one, it's all about learning by doing. We're talking more than 20 hands-on activities that all come together to build a real portfolio you can actually show off.
Okay, so that's the promise. But what do you actually do in this thing? What do you learn? Let's take a quick look under the hood at the skills you'll pick up and see how the course really moves you from just talking about AI to actually using it.
Before we even get into the nitty-gritty, this quote from a VP at Google Research really captures the whole spirit of the program. The point isn't just to teach you how to ask AI to write an email for you. It's about a total mindset shift, learning to treat AI as a partner, a collaborator you can work with to solve really big problems.
And you can see that philosophy laid out perfectly in the curriculum here. It all starts with the basics, like how to write a good prompt. From there, it walks you through all the key business functions, brainstorming, research, writing, even data analysis. And it all leads up to this capstone project, where you build your own app without any code. It makes sense. It's a logical path from A to Z.
But let's be honest, a list of course titles is kind of boring, right? To really get what this is all about, we have to make it real. So let's look at a couple of these skills and see exactly how they work in the real world, using examples straight from the course itself.
Okay, so let's take brainstorming. Most people just type, "Give me ideas for headphones," but the course teaches you this simple, structured way to do it. First, you give the AI a role, a persona, like you're a marketing expert. Then, you give it context, and then you give it the task. It's a simple little 3-step trick that makes the results you get back 1,000 times better. Then there's this tool they teach you called Gemini Deep Research. Honestly, think of it like a research assistant on steroids. Instead of you having to open 30 different tabs on your browser, trying to piece everything together, this tool does the heavy lifting. It reads all these complex reports and gives you back one clear summary with citations and everything.
And here's a perfect real-world example of how it works. There's a tutorial where a Googler named Mahi needs to figure out the big color trends in the paint industry. A task that would normally take days of boring research, she gets it all done in minutes, and the AI turns it into a shareable infographic. I mean, that's just a crazy time saver.
And that brings us to the grand finale, the capstone project. This is where you learn a skill they call vibe coding. And yeah, it's about as cool as it sounds. It's basically a way to build working apps just by describing what you want them to do in plain English. No code, just you and your ideas. It's all about empowering you to build your own solutions to your own problems. So yeah, the curriculum Google put together looks pretty solid, super practical. But hey, that's Google talking about Google. What does an independent outsider have to say? We dug into a really detailed review from Reliable Soft Academy to get their take on whether it's actually worth your time and money. In their verdict, overwhelmingly positive. This quote really says it all. I love that the majority of the course focused on actual business use cases. For them, that was the key. It's not just theory, it's stuff you can actually use. Okay, let's talk about the price tag. It's a subscription, about $49 a month.
But here's the kicker. When you sign up, you get a 3-month free trial of Google AI Pro. So if you're efficient, you could knock out this whole 8-hour certificate, get all that experience, and barely pay anything. That's a pretty sweet deal.
So if we boil down the review, it comes down to this. You're practicing real stuff you can literally use at work the next day. The skills they teach you will fit into pretty much any job you can think of. And it's what separates you from your coworkers who are just kind of messing around with AI, versus you who knows how to use it like a pro.
All right, so we've looked at what's in the course, we've heard what the critics think, but what about the actual payoff? For you, what does becoming AI fluent really get you in the real world?
Let's start with your time. According to Google's research, people who get really good at using AI save, on average, 8 hours a week. That's a full workday, every single week. Just stop and think about what you could do with an extra day every week.
And it's not just about getting time back, it's about your bank account. The numbers show that workers who are fluent in AI are 4.5 times more likely to report making more money. So these skills have a direct, tangible impact on your wallet.
So when it's all said and done, you're walking away with a lot more than just a piece of paper. You get a real portfolio with over 20 projects that prove you know your stuff. And maybe even more important, you get that mindset shift, a totally new, smarter, and faster way to work.
Which really just leaves us with one last big thought. You know, for years, we all talked about computer literacy as a basic skill everyone needed. Well, when you look at all this data on hiring, on saving time, on making more money, you have to ask, is AI fluency the new workplace literacy? And honestly, the answer seems to be a pretty clear yes.